Assalamu alaikum dear listeners, myself Nagina Shafkat. I hope you all will be fine and I'll welcome you to my channel. Dear listeners, many of the people ask me to make a video in the English language. On their wish, I preferred to make a video in the English. If you are new, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the new updates. Today I have a recent incident of the Chaman blast. The improvised explosive device which killed 3 in Chaman, including JUIF leader Maulana Muhammad Hanif, showed that the law enforcing agencies had not brought terror to an end. It also showed that the toxic sectarianism that had afflicted the area was far from over. There was a harsh light also shone on the links of the Deobandi school of thought, for which the JUIF is the political form to sectarian terrorists. Perhaps most worrisome is that fact that the attack could set off a series of the tit-for-tat killings, which might provide a new focus for the sectarian violence that has afflicted the province for the years. Dear listeners, previous attacks on JUIF figures have targeted more prominent figures, like that on JUIF Chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman in 2014 and Senate Deputy Chairman Maulana Abdul Ghafoor Haidari in 2017 in Mustang have not worked, and that the main target survived through the attack on Maulana Haidari left at least 28 dead. This one did, and that is dangerous because it provides motivation to other enthusiastic party workers or even to the sectarians who expose a sudden enthusiasm for the party, because it gives them an excuse to kill the members of the other sect. Dear listeners, apart from finding a means of containing the sectarian rivalry, the authorities must also see that it does not become any more ethnic than it is already. It may be unfortunate, but it also true that while Pakhtuns are mostly Deobandis, and thus they are likely to be anti-Shia, the Shias of the area are mostly Tajik. Balochistan, which was constituted until the 19th century, provinces of the Afghanistan which were conquered by the Raj after its first Afghan war, both are thus imported, though long usage and residence has anglicised them. Balochistan is also subject to another strand of the terrorism that committed by the nationalists, but sectarian violence is going strong and provides yet another pathway for the foreign intelligence outfits to find an entry. That they have also dabbled in sectarian organizations is a foregone conclusion, but they have so far apparently focused on nationalist organization. If attacks like the one in Chaman continue, that may change. If you are new, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the new updates. Allah Hafiz.